Alright guys, in this video what I'm going to show you is how to pair your drone here, the SG700, with your phone. And what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to turn on the remote first. And you do that by turning these things here like so. Now it's on. And then what you'll do is you'll place this phone like this, and you'll pull these out. It's pretty hard to do. Yeah, you'll pull these out so that your phone stays in place there. 1 second. Here we go. The next thing you'll do is you'll unfold the legs here for the drone. And don't click on here, click here just once. And that usually turns the drone on. I can't see if you probably can't see the blue flashing lights, but maybe you can under here, right? Okay, cool. So once you have that done, you want to go up and down, and then like this, and like this, and then you're kind of ready to start. However, if you also want to use the app to videotape, you got to click on this network here, the M8, 720, and so forth, and then you'll go find yourself this fun app. Once you got that, you can do a quick calibration, and then hopefully when you press start, it'll take you to this screen. Now what I like to do is I like to fly the drone with the remote and videotape with the phone, because the app itself, if there's any wind, you're going to lose your little flyer. And also remember to put the rates up, the speed of the rear rotor blades if you have wind. Anyway, hope this helps you guys with your flying, and I'll see you in the next one.